Video, I'm going to go over how you can start earning passive income with Amazon Associates using your blog and a WooCommerce store. So let's go ahead and I'll start sharing my screen and show you the layout of what I use to create passive income with Amazon Associates. So here is a post that I posted on April 18th. Now, a lot of these links are expired, but I create these once a week with the Amazon Associate deals, and you get that over here in your Amazon Associates, and it's under Amazon promo codes. And you just go through, you can pick a category of what your website's about, or if it's just a general category, general website that you're promoting Amazon deals and other stores such as Target deals and stuff like that, you could do that also. But this one here is for Amazon. And let's just go to something like kitchen and dining. So kitchen and dining, and you just click on the links. It will bring you to the product that they're selling, and you'll see what it is. This one is a tumbler. You can save 75% on any of these items here. So what you would do is you would go to the product itself, and you can just click on the photo. You could take a picture of the photo, a screenshot of it by selecting it and taking that. And then you go over to your website and go into your back end and create a blog post and add the image, the information about the deal. Like this one here is an Amazon deal that I found on TikTok. I went and seen if they had any promo codes on it, which they did at the time, but they are actually out of this because of TikTok. So they no longer have the deal on this product because they are out of supplies. And you can see that on these here. It says says while supplies last. It says how the code is good through, and then while supplies last. So once they run out, the deal is over with. But I create this, and then I put a buy here, which has the link in it, and you add that through your backend on your blog. You just create a link for it. And so it would go here. This one, it says promotion is ended. So this is what I was telling you. But like this one down here is another one I found on TikTok that I find is great, and I've ordered these. You just click on that, add to cart. And then when you add it to cart, you go over and place your order, put the code in, and then it gives you that discount. And you can see right here is the code that I had in my Amazon post. And it brought it from $11.99 down to $5.99. I actually had a cart the other day that I ordered products on that started out at $394. It went down to $123 with these Amazon codes. So you would create those, and just like this one here, you would go here, add to cart, and then you go, the person would take this code, enter it into their cart, proceed to checkout. And if you look at this, when it comes up, you enter this code in, apply, and then you can see the total went for $41 down to $20 because this one took $15 off of this. So it's amazing the deals that you can use for this. I am loving it. So that is how I do it on this portion of my blog. I create blog posts once a week with my Amazon deals. I send out a newsletter to everybody on my email list. And then I also promote it on places such as Pinterest. I'll create a pin with the information in it. You can see that one right here for this blog. This is a blog post that I started, or a Pinterest that I started about a week and a half ago because I decided I was going to start doing it this way. Then I also share it on my TikTok page and on Facebook and Instagram with the link to that blog post. You can do, for Instagram, you can add links in your stories and they can go right over to the blog post and get the information for the products that you are promoting that day or that week. Now, another way that you can offer Amazon products without having a code that's going to expire soon is creating a WooCommerce store or just a regular blog post. You can do it without codes and say, these are products that I use, comparison, this versus this, or just things that you use around in your business. Now, for a WooCommerce store, what I did is I created products that go directly into Amazon by clicking on this link here. So they would click on the link, they would go over there and purchase the product. These are products that I use, and those are what I share on my store or any products I use. Now, I do have other affiliate links to things like courses on here that I have taken. I do not promote anything that I do not have not used or do not use. So the 15-day business builder challenge is a great to get you started with affiliate marketing, but it also is a great way to learn the other 4 core online businesses. Now, the 72-hour challenge is with Jonathan Matoya, and he goes over affiliate marketing. Also, it's high ticket affiliate marketing, and he also has a complete funnel built for you that you can upload into System.io's or to ClickFunnels. Video Ranking Academy is a course that I've taken for doing YouTube videos, and I'm actually still in the process of that one. Now, I also have a template shop, which you can do a digital product shop. You can do templates. Like this is a digital product. I have websites that I've built that are templates that people can upload into the back end of the WordPress and just input their information, but they don't have to do any of the coding or any of the design of it. It's just ready for them to plug in their information. And I will be doing one on an affiliate marketing site also here soon that will be in my template shop. Now, you can do all kinds of different tabs for different categories for what you are selling. Like here I have office supplies, I have lighting. I will have more added of the different office furniture that I have. But this is one way you can start earning money on your website and through your blog with affiliate marketing is creating a store. And in the store itself, to create products, it's really simple because you don't have to have the shipping information or anything like that. You're not going to be shipping it. So you would create it in WooCommerce. You'd build it out with the template that I have, and I'm going to be uploading a template for people to purchase for this type of website is the external affiliate product. And then you just link to that product. And then you can change the button text to say whatever you want. You put the pricing of it in there. And I use another program called Grow, which helps you do all your social media if you want to promote through social media on here. You can create pins, you can create social media images. They have all kinds of information, but it's Grow with Mediavine is one thing that I use for promoting my products through social media. And soon, what's great about Grow is as soon as you create a blog post, it can be sent out to all your social media with just one click. You can just share it automatically. Let's go to this blog post here. I can go here and I can go down here and put it so it's at the top of your page and the bottom of your page or just one part, but you can click here to share it with Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Like here I have the Pinterest one. It will come up with the pin that I did for it. And then I do it to Amazon Finds and it sends it right over to there. And then you can see it and it will be right here. So it's as easy like that. And when you're promoting on Pinterest, these pins are good for a long time. Now I know not all these are working codes, but what's great about Amazon Associates is if they still buy from them clicking through to your link, you still earn commissions on anything that they buy, even if they do not buy the product that you were promoting. So that is my quick walkthrough on how you can use Amazon Associates and a blog and a WooCommerce store to promote Amazon products to earn a passive income through social media and through your blog posting.